How to change currency display or currency on Bybit. Hello everyone, welcome back into my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change currency displayed on the Bybit, or how you can change the currency on Bybit. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. First things first, you can go ahead and open a Bybit application. And then make sure you're logged in. You want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and once you tap on here, you want to next tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner beside the microphone or this icon. You can tap on it there. Once you tap on it, now if you scroll down below, you should be able to see under settings the option that says currency display. You can tap on it, and now you can choose any currency that you wish to switch to. So this is how you can change currency on Bybit. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.